This is our GS-105S. Follow with me, I'll show you how to operate it and how to use all the functions. First, the switch is at the back of the machine. Turn on the switch and close the handle. You can see the whole structure of the machine is streamlined design and there is no welding point. All the parts is connected with different sizes of screws, which means that the whole structure is very, very stable. And secondly, there is a magnetic switch in the middle, which means that the machine will open automatically when the time is up. See? And you can see it will not jump it off. It will wait to 2 or 3 seconds and then release. This function is meant to protect the user. Okay, another function is the hook design at the bottom with slide out function. I think this function is the best function for the garment decorators, like the t-shirt. Let me show you. Okay, slide it out and then you do not need to put the whole t-shirt inside. Instead, you can lay out. Very easy. Lay out the t-shirt and adjust which you want printed here and pull it back and close the machine. So here is the emergency knob. So if you put the printing by mistake, then you can press this button so the machine can open. And then slide it out. So if you need to print both front and back side of the t-shirt, this kind of t-shirt is quite popular at the moment. So you do not need to take the whole t-shirt off. Instead, you can take a part and then just switch it in this way. Then you can print the back. Put it back, then you can print it. So I think this design is really, really good for garment decorators. Another function is the pressure sensor. I'll show you how to use it. Pressure sensor function have been in the market for about 2 years. Lots of customers asking us what is the advantage and how to use it. Don't worry, let me show you. Today we prepared the aluminum insert for tin box, which need very low pressure, and MDF, which need medium pressure, and placemat, which need really high pressure. Okay, before we do the printing, we need to set up the pressure. So how to set up the pressure? Let me show you. So first you put your blanks. Make sure that the printing side is facing down to the platen. Put the blanks into the machine and close the handle. Then you can see the pressure. Now pressure is about 3. It's too low. Then I have to increase the pressure a little bit. So how to increase it? Hold the pressure adjustable knob and switch it at clockwise side to increase it. And now it's 7. It's 7, it's a little bit more, so I have to reduce it a little bit. And anti-clockwise side is to reduce the pressure. It's 4 and I need to add a little bit more. And now it's 5. So we're ready to go with the printing. And for MDF, we need 180 degrees Celsius at 60 seconds. And pressure at 5. So everything is ready, and let's do printing. The paper, the blanks, and facing the blanks into the print paper, use heat tape. Make sure that the whole, make sure you fix it well. This is very important. If you do not fix it well, then it will ruin the whole printing. And then put it into the machine, the printing side facing up, and put a Teflon sheet. Teflon sheet is very, very important. This can avoid the paper to move when the time is up. Okay, time is up. Let's see. Okay, let's print the aluminum insert. It will need 180 degrees at 50 seconds. And really low pressure, so I need to adjust, test the pressure. Again, I need to, because the aluminum insert is very thin. It's about half millimeters. So I need to increase the pressure a little bit. Set it at 2. At 2 would be good. Okay. Okay, the pressure has been set it up, and let's do printing. The paper and face the aluminum insert into the paper with heat-resistant tape, and then put it into the machine and use a Teflon sheet to cover it, close it. Okay, printing is done. Make sure you wear a heat-resistant glove to protect yourself because it's really hot. Okay, last is for the linen placemat, which need very, very high pressure. So first we go to adjust the pressure first. I need to add some pressure. At 9, yes. And then that will be okay. Okay, let's do printing. Fix it's the same, use heat-resistant tape. So heat-resistant tape, it's cheap, but it's a must for every die-sub users. Okay, and the printing side facing up, use the Teflon sheet to cover it and close it. Okay, see, time is up. Okay. Okay, this is how our pressure sensor working. Instead of low, medium, and high pressure, you can get a specific number for different materials, like what I just did. For MDF, we set it from 4 to 6 will be enough. And for aluminum insert, no more than 3. No more than 3 because it needs very, very low pressure. 2 to 3 would be good. And for the linen material, our linen material, it need very, very high pressure. So you have to set at 9. So I think from this number like 3, 5, 9, it will be much more easier for you to clarify what kinds of pressure you have to apply for different materials. It will bring lots of convenience to all of the die-sub users. So this is why we developed the pressure sensor. Hope it will bring you some convenience. Thank you. The other function I would like to talk about is the interchangeable lower platen. We have patent on it. The reason why we developed this function is we found that in sublimation world, it is very, very important that if you have something new and something unique to offer to your customer, new and unique can make you difference. Like the blanks we prepared today, like this sequin backpack with a lower platen and sequin lunch bag and sequin shoulder bag for kids. These products are quite nice, but with traditional heat platen, then you cannot do the printing. So we developed the specific platen used for these blanks. Let me show you how to change it. Okay. The machine is very hot, so make sure you wear a glove before you change the platen. There is a part underneath the lower platen, then you can pull it a little bit, then you can take the whole platen off. See, this is the design of how to change the platen. And here is another part. Then these two parts can fix it together. It's very easy. You just put it in, then put this part back to lock it, then it will not move. Because we are going to print this backpack, and this part is a little bit larger than the platen, so we need to take this part off. This part, you can take it out and then locate it the backpack. You see, it fits very well. See, it fits very well, and then you can do printing. This is the paper we just prepared. We have prepared, and fix the image. Use heat tape to fix it. Normally, for sequin products, we do not do full printing. Okay, and fix the design onto the backpack. Use a Teflon sheet to cover it, and then pull it back. Close the machine. For sequin, we use 180 degrees Celsius at 60 seconds, means 1 minute. So adjust the time and temperature, and then we can. You see the pressure is too high, so I need to reduce a little bit. Now it's good. Okay, let's see. It's done. See, it's very nice. You can see it prints very well. See, if without this specific platen, you cannot do this printing, because you cannot put the whole backpack into the machine to print. It's not flat, so you need to use this specific platen. Very nice. Okay, we go for next. Okay, before we go for next, I need to put this back. Fix this part and pull a little bit. Then I can take this off. Very easy. And we go with lunch bag. Fix, lock it, and put the blanks onto it, and flip the white part and put the design on. Use heat tape to fix it. And use a Teflon sheet to cover it. Okay, pull it back. Close the handle. It's too high, the pressure. Still too high. Now here we go. Okay, time is up. Pressure is a little bit high, but it should be okay. Let's see. It's hot, so always wear a glove. See, wow. It's really nice. See, so need to use this specific platen. Then you can have this unique blanks. Okay, go with next one. It's very easy to change. You can see, very easy. And this cute little shoulder bag. You see, this platen is very cute, huh? It's specifically made for this. Okay, again, it's the same. Flip it and put your design. Fix it with heat platen. Oh no, heat platen. Heat resistant tape. Again, the heat resistant tape is cheap, but it's very important for every desktop users. We can offer it. Okay. Again, use a Teflon sheet to cover it. Okay, here we go. Close the handle. This time the pressure is perfect, so I do not need to adjust anymore. Let's wait. Okay, let's see. We call it magic sequin. The magic sequin, every kid love it. And you can see it's a little bit hard, but I can try. You see, what is the magic? This is the magic. Okay. So we've been done for all the instructions of all the functions of our GS-105S. Hope you understand well and you like it. Again, I need to repeat. This machine is very good for garment decorators, for the slide out and hook design bottom. It's very easy for you to lay out any types of garment. And for die sub user, because of the interchangeable lower platen and pressure sensor, it is very easy for you to do any different materials of the blanks, and also we can offer you unique blanks upon your request. The most important part of a heat press machine is the heat platen. Now I will show you how the heat platen of our Galaxy Press made of. First, it will go with this lathe machine for about 10 to 15 minutes to wash it until it's flat and it's like a mirror. And then it will go with this washing machine to wash the edge, the four edges, wash it as smooth as it could be. After 10 to minutes washing with this lathe machine, and you can see the platen is very shiny. It's like a mirror, and the whole platen is really flat. And then after this procedure, we will wash the edge and then go to do the Teflon coating. So only if you do it in this machine for enough time, then the surface can be shining like a mirror and really flatted, and then you go to add the Teflon coating, and then the Teflon coating can be really smooth. This is the finished GS-105S, and we will show you the unbox now. Okay, ready? Go! First, open the box. And then you will see, the quality of the carton we are using. It's very thick and very hard. So, you see, okay. And then there is a EVA foam. You see, this is EVA foam. So there is no any surprise to full of your room. So this is EVA. And this part is PVC, so it's very hard, can protect the machine very well. And now you can see the machine. Okay, you can see the packing. The machine is stayed very stable inside. And this here is the control box. Control box is located here and protected very well. And four side is protected with EVA foam, and the machine is very stable. Okay, and now we will take the machine out. When you open the box and take the machine out, they will have three parts in the box. One is the main body of the machine, and the other is the control box. So the control box is packed separately. You need to install it by yourselves. And then another part is this power plug. Okay, now let us show you how to install this control box. Each machine will be offered with a PP bag like this, and they will have operational manual and test report, and more importantly, you can see there is another PP bag packed with 4 screws. So these 4 screws is for you to use to install the control panel. Okay, now let us show you the details. First, get these 4 screws ready, and now we will show you. Okay, first there is a connect this part first. And connect this plug it in. Okay, and another plug. Make sure it will be on the right position. And then put the box. Put this wire inside into the box. And then use these 4 screws. Very easy to lock it. Okay, it's done. Okay, now you can see we got a brand new GS-105S ready to go. At last, there is no perfect product, but there is always a way to lead you to be better. This is what we will keep going to make our Galaxy Press to be better and to be the most user-friendly and profitable machine. To achieve this, we invite all of you to join us at our Facebook group. Please go to our website www.galaxypress.com to find the link and join us. And feel free to share all of your opinion or experience. We will appreciate it. Let's work together to make a better price that can let more people get into sublimation, enjoy sublimation, and love sublimation, and can rely on sublimation to live better. Thank you.